You need experience to get experience. This seems to be the biggest issue for students like us transitioning into the workforce these days. Hey guys, this is Harsh and in this video I'm going to talk about internships. You can acquire endless amount of education in your life. However, that knowledge doesn't always translate to the working life. And to bridge between the knowledge you acquire to the knowledge you apply is an internship. An internship enables you to gain first-hand exposure of working in the real world. Internships provide a nice learning curve for students with little experience of the professional world. During an internship, you work on real projects, get acquainted with the current market trends, sharpen your technical skills, and also learn in demand skills. Apart from this, an internship introduces you to the corporate world, teaches you professional ethics, and polish your soft skills like communication and interpersonal skills. With an internship, you could become an engineer way before your graduation, which could prove to be extremely helpful for an effortless adaptation to work environment when you join a full-time job. The experiences we go through are what shapes us. Your internships will not only encourage personal development but also a greater understanding of self. Hence, if you are lucky enough to snag a beneficial internship, it can be a remarkable value towards your career. Before discussing further, let us brush up few things about internships. Internships are broadly classified into two types, private internships and government internships. Further going down, private internships are categorized into organization and institution. In organizational based private internships, companies such as Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and few startups provide opportunity to intern with them. These have a leverage over other internships because sometimes they offer a transition into full-time position. When it comes to institution-based private internships such as ISNIT or Wing4Tech, these are skill development centers where they will teach you a particular skill and give you a project on that particular topic. For an example, in ISNIT, a course called Comprehensive Automobile Development teaches you everything in and out about automobiles, and in the end, you have to design your own car for the present market. Whereas government internships are quite different from its private counterpart. When you see about government-based organization internships, it's all about industrial visit and observing the work going on in the factory. Examples are BHEL, HAL, and steel plant. And if your interests tend towards research, then government-based institution internship is your way ahead. Apart from knowing all of these classifications, we always get confused while in search of an internship. Trust me, I was also confused during those early engineering days. So, to tackle this situation, I have made a roadmap of internship for every possible career goals. Take a second to pause this video and have a look into it. I think the image is quite self-explanatory. So without further ado, let's get to the point. What if I were you? These are few points which can boost your search for better internship. 1. Know your area of interest. Each branch of engineering is a vast realm of subjects. When you are in a job, you are required to work in specific areas only. For instance, if you are a computer science graduate, you could specialize in web development, data analysis, software development, or software testing. Similarly, internships also offer you the opportunity to explore different aspects of your branch and help you to choose the most suited field to pursue a job or a higher education. So, you must have a clear thought while selecting. To help you in this process of exploring, try out to reach seniors or professors who can give you a clear cut idea. I know finding this level of clarity in your initial days of engineering is quite difficult, but sometimes all it takes is trying something new out of your comfort zone. And remember this one thing, that to know yourself is to know your goals and how to best achieve them. 2. Courses and certifications. As of now, you got familiar with your area of interest. Now, it's time to know the concepts behind acquiring those skills. And the best resources available are courses and to get certified. It can be a difficult task to set yourself apart from the crowd, but showcasing your completion of relevant online courses is a great starting point. For an example, if you are a mechanical student, it can be beneficial to highlight additional data analysis skills which will help you to acquire internships in data analytics domain. Enrolling in online education in and itself is quite impressive. It demonstrates personal drive and discipline, intellectual maturity, curiosity, and a strong willingness to learn, all of which are some of the most important traits for getting a lucrative internship. Bear in mind that don't do courses for the sake of certifications, because at the end, this only applies if you are able to talk about what you have learned and how it's relevant to the position. Without proper demonstration of the skill you have acquired, it can decimate your selection process as well. 3. Personal projects or collaborative projects with professors. Let's see. Area of interest, check. Courses learned, check. Now comes the application of the things you have learned into a practical environment. Now a question arises. Harsh, I thought the application of these skills should be in internships, right? Then why should we do projects? And the simple answer is to sell yourself. More recently, we are starting to notice a different trend. Potential internship recruiters want students to know a bit of everything, and more importantly, people who can learn new concepts very easily and can apply them on real life scenario. And the best way to showcase is by projects. According to me, collaborative projects with your professor can be your starting point for developing the right work ethic during your engineering. 4. Profile building. One of the major chunk of your time goes into building up your profile, and the best place to start building up your profile is LinkedIn. As we all know about it as a professional's Facebook, many of us think it's just another social networking sites, but with my personal experience, I can say it's more than you think. It has a potential to land a job for you as well. So, rather than me explaining about LinkedIn, you can check out its reachability. And don't forget to jot down all the achievements, projects, and courses into your LinkedIn profile and resume as well. Because think of your resume as an extension of yourself and how you would want someone to perceive you. Last but not the least, networking. The importance of networking for career development can't be overlooked. It's up to you to make the most out of it. The potential benefits of establishing a strong network are seamlessly endless. So, to summarize it into four words, it can be guidance, opportunity, growth, and resources. So, to wrap it up, I just want to say by doing an internship, you can learn the things you would prefer to do and the things that you aren't necessarily interested in. A profession might seem exciting at first, but with a lack of experience, you might not know if it's perfect for you. Not doing an internship can be a big mistake because you might get stuck in a job that you aren't passionate about. That's all for now. Thank you guys. Stay safe and happy learning.